What's up guys, Brian here. Today we're going to put a new battery in the backhoe and do a battery switch. So we'll take you guys along for the ride. Let's go. Here's our battery switch. Went to O'Reilly's, bought this little cable, bought this battery switch right here. Basically, you know, that's how easy it is. Pretty simple. And there's a new battery right there. Let's get this old battery out of the way. First things first, we gotta get this cable off. This connector. Let's do that. 9/16 wrench. It's cold out today, guys. Very cold out today. Of course, you gotta drop the bolt. Okay. Let's try not to do that again. Get in your guys' way in this tripod. Really? Yeah! There we go. Got it threaded. Lift this bad boy up. This tire right here deflated. Now I'm not sure if it's because the rim is kind of bent up or if it's just because at one point there was some stick that got lodged in here. I was able to get it out, but let's see if it'll take some air. Well, you guys, after beating on it for about 2 hours, I think I'm done beating on it. It's